Do you know what is in common between Alex Becker, Iman Gadji, and Alex Hormozi? And no, it's not what you think. It is not the 9-figure net worth that they all have. It is the way they started and the cornerstone they put on their way to achieving that remarkable milestone. You see, they all have one thing in common that made them who they are today. They all started SaaS companies. Now, I know the question, or questions, that are roaming inside your head right now. What is SaaS? How does it work? And the most important is, how to generate an income from it, and how long would it take? Well, this video is all about creating your first no-code SaaS software. Now, let the fun begin. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, leveraging AI to make a whopping $30,000 per month online. Stick around because we're about to uncover the secrets of building, integrating, and monetizing these tools effectively. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our content. Let's jump right in. Understanding no-code SaaS versus code software companies. Let's delve deeper into the differences between no-code SaaS and traditional code software companies, along with some illustrative examples. No-code SaaS. When it comes to no-code SaaS, the emphasis is on simplicity and accessibility. These platforms allow individuals with little to no coding background to create software applications through visual interfaces and pre-built components. This democratizes software development, making it accessible to a wider range of people. Here are two examples. Bubble.io. As mentioned earlier, Bubble.io is a prominent no-code SaaS platform. It empowers users to design and develop applications without coding. You can visually create databases, workflows, and UI components, dramatically reducing the time and effort needed for development. Adalo. Adalo is another noteworthy no-code SaaS platform that enables users to design and launch apps without writing code. It provides a range of templates and UI components, allowing creators to build functional and visually appealing apps. Code software companies. On the other hand, traditional code software companies involve skilled developers writing code to create applications from scratch. This route provides greater flexibility and customization options, but comes with higher costs and longer development cycles. Here are two examples. Salesforce. Salesforce is a prime example of a code-based software company. Their customer relationship management (CRM) platform is built through code, providing extensive customization options for businesses. However, this level of customization often requires more time and a team of skilled developers. In terms of development time, no-code SaaS platforms like Bubble.io and Adalo generally require significantly less time compared to traditional code-based software development. This is because much of the coding is abstracted away, and development happens through intuitive visual interfaces. The development cycle for a simple app can range from a few days to a couple of weeks with no-code platforms. Conversely, code-based software development depends on the complexity of the project, the size of the development team, and the intricacy of the coding required. Simple applications might take a few weeks to a few months to develop, while more complex software can take several months or even years to complete. In this video, our focus will be on the two powerful sites that will help you build your next no-code SaaS software. Meet Bubble.io and Make.com. Let's dive deep into Bubble.io and explore how this powerful no-code SaaS platform can be used to develop software applications without the need for coding. I'll guide you through some key aspects and provide examples of how to use the site effectively. Understanding Bubble.io. Bubble.io is a visual development platform that allows you to create web applications, automate workflows, and build software without writing code. It provides a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making it accessible to those with little to no coding experience. Building data structures. To start, you'll define your data structures using Bubble.io's database. Let's take an example of building a simple task management app. You'd create a task data type with fields like title, description, due date, and so on. This sets the foundation for storing and organizing your app's data. Designing user interfaces. Once your data structures are in place, you'll design the user interface (UI). Using Bubble.io's visual editor, you can add elements like text, buttons, and input fields. For our task management app, you create a Create Task button and design a form where users can input task details. Setting workflows. Bubble.io's strength lies in its ability to automate workflows. You'll define actions that occur when certain events take place. For instance, when a user clicks the Create Task button, you'd create a workflow that adds the entered data to your database as a new task. Conditionals and logic. You can add conditionals and logic to your workflows. Let's say you want to mark a task as completed when a user clicks a checkbox. With Bubble.io, you'd set up a workflow that updates the task status when the checkbox is toggled. Integrations and APIs. Bubble.io allows you to integrate external services and APIs. For a task management app, you might integrate with an email service to send task reminders. This integration involves setting up workflows that trigger emails based on due dates. Responsive design. Creating applications that work seamlessly on different devices is crucial. Bubble.io offers responsive design tools, ensuring your app looks and functions well on both desktop and mobile devices. Optimizing business workflows with Make.com. This platform offers the tools to create customized software solutions that streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and save valuable time and resources. Understanding Make.com. Make.com is a platform that empowers businesses to build tailored software solutions to address their unique challenges and needs. It focuses on optimizing workflows, automating processes, and centralizing data in ways that are specific to each organization's requirements. Example 1. Inventory management. Imagine a retail business that struggles with managing inventory across multiple locations. With Make.com, the business can create a custom software solution that tracks inventory levels, automates reordering, and provides real-time visibility into stock levels. This not only saves time spent on manual inventory checks, but also prevents overstocking or stockouts, ultimately leading to cost savings and improved customer satisfaction. Example 2. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. A service-oriented company may face challenges in tracking customer interactions and managing follow-ups. Make.com can be used to develop a CRM system that centralizes customer data, records communication history, and automates follow-up reminders. This leads to better customer engagement, improved sales processes, and enhanced customer satisfaction. Example 3. Project Management. A marketing agency might struggle with keeping track of various projects, tasks, and deadlines. Make.com can be utilized to build a project management system that assigns tasks, tracks progress, and generates automated reports for clients. This improves project visibility, ensures timely delivery, and streamlines collaboration among team members. Example 4. Employee onboarding. Efficient employee onboarding is crucial for any organization. Make.com can be employed to create onboarding software that guides new hires through the necessary paperwork, training modules, and orientation steps. This reduces administrative burden, ensures consistency in the onboarding process, and accelerates the time it takes for new employees to become productive for maximum efficiency. Imagine the potential when we integrate Bubble.io and Make.com. By combining the no-code development power of Bubble.io with the process optimization capabilities of Make.com, you can create a holistic solution that not only streamlines operations, but also maximizes cost effectiveness. This integration paves the way for game-changing software application. Now let's get talking about money. With a well-designed, no-code SaaS project, you can start generating significant revenue through subscription models. Consider this. If you're offering a subscription at $100 per month, you'd only need around 300 subscribers to hit that $30,000 per month mark. The barrier to entry becomes remarkably achievable, making this a lucrative venture. Unlocking the exit strategy. Selling your SaaS for big bucks. But wait, there's more. The potential exit strategy here is truly exciting. SaaS businesses can be sold for a multiple of their annual revenue, usually ranging from 1.8 to 3.6 times. Let's take our example of a $30,000 per month SaaS generating $360,000 annually. You could potentially sell it for a cool $1.8 to $3.6 million. Expanding your horizons. Business-to-business software development. Lastly, don't overlook the vast potential of business-to-business B2B software sales. Offering tailored software solutions to businesses can yield higher revenues due to the increased value you provide. Companies are often willing to pay a premium for custom solutions that address their unique challenges. You can even sell the same software to other customers that share the same interest. In other words, the scalability here is endless. And there you have it, folks, the incredible journey from building a no-code SaaS product with platforms like Bubble.io and Make.com to monetize it, potentially selling it for a handsome sum, and exploring B2B opportunities. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit that notification bell. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below on what topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos. Until next time, stay innovative.